Here's a carpet repair patch we're doing today. It looks like the carpet's stained. Looks like it's a wax almost, or paint. Not sure. We're going to take carpet out of the closet and replace the closet with new carpet. There's a piece of carpet we cut out. There's the cutout. Here's the piece we're going to put in. Well, here's the piece we took out, and there's the patch we put in. A lot determines how well the patch blends in. I was kind of surprised how well this one blended in, because the carpet's a little dirty. The closet is not dirty. The closet has seen no light, and we're right in front of a big sliding glass door. So I was expecting the carpet to be sun bleached a little bit and a little more dirty, and the clean piece patch coming out of the closet look clean. A little trick I do is I'll go outside and get a little dirt and make the piece a little dirty sometimes so it blends in better with the dirty carpet. But that's looking really nice. Nobody's going to even know that's there. Peace.